About 7 a.m. It's November 28th. Haven't really been trading in a while. Had holidays, Thanksgiving. The market's been kind of slow, and I've been honestly been kind of lazy. Trying to get back into it. Woke up early yesterday, and my body just couldn't stay awake. So I woke up again early this morning, just trying to get focused and get back into the groove. But so what we're looking at here is a sideways market in the 10-year overnight. Equities are kind of sideways to the higher skew overnight. Obviously the equities have already opened a couple hours late here, but they've been sort of sideways on the open, pretty muted. What I'm seeing here, it's a lot of absorption at this level. We got an imbalance, about 10,000 to 4,000. And we had a new home sales number come out that was pretty soft. So basically I'm just kind of taking a shot at this level. You had 5 years starting to kind of bid up a little bit. 30-year was sinking down pretty good, and then the number came out and it's gotten a bit of a pop. So not nearly the volatility and liquidity we've seen over the last few weeks before the holidays, but yeah, you can see it's still slow. I mean, it should be cooking pretty good. It's 7 a.m. It's prime market time. Should be moving, and it's not really. This order's been sitting here for probably over a minute. I'm still 1,000 in the queue, so. Oh, just got taken out, and that's a pretty fucking big number. Wow. Yeah, 5,000 over here, that's huge. Yeah, we might be in trouble over here. I haven't seen this in a long time. This kind of size just pop up here. Thus far, they've absorbed all the selling on this end. Wow. They got serious real quick. Yeah, it looks like sellers are just absorbing any sort of buying activity. That's the other thing too, is I'm just not getting a good, obviously it's coming back after a layoff. The read is a little off. Brain is still a little slow, still trying to wake up in the morning. So that little pushback there might be the only opportunity I have to scratch. Although this is pulling off pretty good. Well, at least it was. Because that was pretty decent size coming through. Again, I haven't really seen that. So ES is making new lows. Let's see what that's worth to us. I tried to take it up a tick. Still stuck. It's not uncommon to go back and forth, especially at a point of resistance. But buyers really need to just beef up in order to take this higher. That's not going to work. This needs to get up into the 3,000 or 4,000. So the ES is right at, it basically stopped to the tick at the open. And it's trying to push higher. So like we talked about previously, this is a level right here that is a natural resistance level. So definitely need buyers to overwhelm sellers here in order to push this higher. So we just had a EIA report come out for crude oil, and there's a ton of stockpiles. So that should send crude lower, and some say that ES has some sort of equity or some sort of correlation with crude oil. So that might send equities lower, which it looks like we got somewhat of a response. So the overnight low for the ES is 2681. So that's a level where we'd probably see a good bounce. I'm not sure if we want to try to if we'd want to cover this position prior to that. That would just be a natural bounce point, which we could lose several ticks or a couple ticks over here. So I guess the question is, do I take off How long do I give this before I try to work an exit? And we're right at that shelf in the 5-year, 30-year, 24. This is just a natural resistance place. So I try to be proactive and take 2 ticks out. I could take it right now. You see how quickly that falls back in. I have a trade 6,000 up into that, and it's still seeing a lot of pushback. See the 5-year tried to take it, couldn't do it. Another 2,000 trade up into this, couldn't do it. Well, let's see if we can pull a couple ticks out, and then if it falls back in, we could buy it again. So I don't know if I should try to take a tick. Fuck. We're gonna end up scratching this. This happens too much. Yeah, this definitely happens way too much. Too often. I think I just scratched that. It's really frustrating. It's really, really frustrating. Oh, fuck. All that time and effort. I don't think I should be this frustrated over this, but I am. It's very frustrating. Just feeling tired, like fatigued, like I'm getting sick or something. So I'm done. I'm gonna go lay down, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, look at this. We're already back up. I just moved that to break even way too soon. Easily could have had a tick out of it, if not more. Yeah, that was frustrating. Seems like it happens a lot, though. Something to work on. Okay, well, I'm out of here. I'm going back to bed. Maybe tomorrow.